Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a form in Airtable Workspace. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our Airtable account, and after that we have to open the Workspace, and after that you have to scroll down, and after in the end you will get this form option. So you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, try an upgraded form building experience. We have to click on the continue. If you want to create a form view, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on the create a new view. Let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has the form. Now you can adjust this as per your need. Add a field in the table. You can also add that, like the field. I'm going to write the name here, and this will be a single. As you can see, please enter a unique field name. I'm going to name of student. So let's write this single line text. You can also write the single line. I want the single line, and let's click on the save, and that field will be added here. So as you can see, if you want a different one, you can also do it. I'm going to click on the 8. Now let's choose AI for this. This is upgraded, so we are going to cut this one, and now let's choose a link, another record. So I single text again, and now you can also write the field 7, and let's click on the save. So in this way you can add the fields in your form. As you can see, the form is created. You can also check out the form view, and you the submit, and each and everything is provided here. You just need to hit the create a new form. If you want to add a logo, you can also do it, but this is the paid, and this is the form header is also paid. So in this way you can create a form in Airtable Workspace. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a form. So see you guys in the next video.